When the new decade arrived, the glow of progress still lingered. But beneath it, something fragile began to crack.
Sell everything! Sell!
Wall Street trembled first, a quake of numbers that wiped away fortunes faster than they were built. In a single week, dreams that took decades were reduced to dust. Factories that once roared with ambition fell silent, their chimneys exhaling their last breath of smoke. In small towns, fathers returned home with empty pockets and heavier hearts. Bread lines stretched across the streets, long, quiet rivers of hunger and dignity. And while cities fought despair, the land itself began to die. A drought swept the heartland, turning golden fields into lifeless plains of dust. Winds carried the dust like a curse, blotting out the sun, burying homes and choking entire towns. And the darkness of those storms, America learned that even the strongest nations can break.
Eat up now, there's enough
But through
for
the
all.
despair, voices rose.
Thank you kindly.
Neighbors
sir.
helping neighbors, strangers sharing what little they had left. And in that fragile unity, the first spark of recovery quietly began.